Do you know there are legit platforms where you can get paid to read books aloud, basically as an audiobook narrator or voiceover artist? This is not like an app that pays you tiny amounts just for reading. This is more like a freelancer or a contract work. If you're this person that enjoys reading, then let me introduce you to this 6 platform that will pay you to read. As an African that wants to get access to this platform, you need to watch this video till the end to know the site that requires VPN and tips to get started. Alright, before we dive in, let me lay a disclaimer. This video is for educational purpose only. I am not a financial advisor and I do not guarantee that you make a specific amount of money. Your result depends on your effort, and this video is based on my own personal experience. Feel free to make your own research. The number one way to get paid to read is through audiobook narration. Audiobook narration is a platform that pays you to read books. You read books out loud and record your voice, and people listen to it like a story. You can do this hence you have a clear voice and you are in a quiet place. You get paid $10 to $500 per finished hour or per project, and sites where you can get these jobs is acs.com, findawayvoice.com, voices.com, bennystudio.com. As an African that wants to get access to these sites, you need a VPN. The number 2 way to get paid to read is through proofreading. Proofreading is a platform that pays you to find mistakes from a particular stories. If you're this person that read very well and you can pay attention, then you can do it. You get paid $20 to $50 per finished work, but you must be hired before you can do this. So what you do is to register on Upwork as a freelancer. Okay, this site does not require VPN. Number 3 way is through book review. Just as the name sounds, it's a platform that pays you to read and give your opinion. What you do, you read books and you write short review about what you just read, your like and your dislike. If you're someone that enjoys reading and writing, then you can do it. You get paid $5 to $100 per review, and the website where you can see this job is Online Book for Readers. That is www.onlinebookclubforreaders.com. As an African that wants to get access to this platform, you must use a VPN. If today is the first time of coming across my video, you are welcome to Always Earn TV. In this channel, I share legit way to make money from the online space, both from sites and apps. And if that is the kind of content you enjoy, please do wait to subscribe. And to my returning subscribers, thank you for always coming back to watch my video. Of course, you guys know I love and appreciate your support. Thank you. Number 4 is fact checking. This is you reading an article and checking if the information is true or not. If you are someone that makes research a lot, you can do it. You get paid hourly, $20 to $50. To get started on this one, you need to register as a freelancer because you must be hired before you'll be able to find a job. Now, to get started, go and register on www.pointer.org/jobs or www.indeed.com or www.upwork.com. You don't need a VPN on this particular one. Number 5 is reading for the visual impaired. What you do here is to read text to people who can't see very well using your phone and computer. Anyone who can read clearly and can speak slowly can do it. You get paid hourly $10 to $25, but you need to apply to get job. Website where you can see this is www.bemieyes.com or www.learninggalley.org. You don't need a VPN for this particular one. Then the number 6, the last but not the least, is through scripts and content reading. What you do here is to read movie scripts, YouTube scripts, or creative content scripts and give feedback. If you know you can read stories and understand them, you can definitely do it. You read and give your feedback and you get paid per project. Register on www.wescreenplay.com or www.scriptreaderpro.com. audiobook.com. You get paid $50 to $250 per project, and you definitely need VPN to get access to this. So here comes to the end of today's video. If you get value, please give me a thumbs up, and if you want me to make more video like this, also say it on the comment section. And don't forget to drop your comment, like this video, and help me share so that you too can push this video to more viewers. Thank you for watching today's video. I wish to see you in my next one. Bye.